Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good and safe. And today let us discuss about the topic Ether channel. So Ether channel is a port link aggregation technology used for bundling or grouping multiple Ethernet links to create one logical Ethernet link which provides a fault tolerance and high speed links between the switches and the routers. How to bundle? So we can bundle 2 to 8 fast Ethernet link, gigabit Ethernet link or 10 gigabit Ethernet link to a one logical Ether channel, right? So we can bundle multiple physical Ethernet link into a single logical Ether channel. So what are the benefits of bundling? It provides increased bandwidth, redundancy and load balancing. Assume if a single link provides 200 Mbps throughput, so adding another link will provide a 400 Mbps throughput, right? So in that way it can provide increased bandwidth. So how it provides redundancy? If a single link goes down, I can use this link as a backup link. And also if you are bundling multiple links, we can load balance across the multiple links. So these are the benefits of Ether channel. So what are the conditions for Ether channel to form is, so all the bundle ports should belong to the same VLAN, same speed and duplex settings, and both should belong to the same spanning tree settings. So in case if you are using as a trunk, so it should be in the same trunking mode and it should pass the same set of VLANs. So what are the Ether channel types? PAGP and LACP. So PAGP is a Cisco proprietary what is called Port Aggregation Protocol, and another one is LACP. So Link Aggregation Control Protocol, which is standard based. So for PAGP, Port Aggregation Protocol, which is Cisco proprietary, and the PAGP packets are exchanged between the Ether channel cable ports, and all these bundle ports should belong to the same speed and duplex setting, spanning tree and VLAN settings should be the same. So also another feature is PAGP dynamically modifies the parameter if one of the bundle port is modified. If any of the single port is modified, it will dynamically modify all the ports to the same settings. So that is the benefit of PAGP. And there are two modes. PAGP is auto and desirable mode. So auto is the default mode in which switch negotiates an Ether channel only if the for and initiates. That is an auto mode, which is a passive behavior, and desirable is the active mode. It will actively ask the for and switch to initiate a or negotiate an Ether channel. So either both of the switch should be in auto desirable or desirable mode to form a Ether channel. If both are in auto mode, it will not form an Ether channel because both are in the passive behavior, right? So this will wait for other end switch to negotiate, and this will wait for this switch to negotiate an Ether channel. And finally, the Ether channel will not form because of the passive behavior. So what about LACP? So LACP is a Link Aggregation Control Protocol where LACP packets are exchanged between the Ether channel cable ports, and for the Ether channel to form, all the bundle ports should belong to the same VLAN speed and duplex settings. So here two priority, one is the system priority and the port priority. So switch always with the lowest system priority which is allowed to participate in the Ether channel. So it indicates which ports are allowed to actively participate in the Ether channel. So always the lowest system priority is determined. That is a 2-byte priority value followed by a 6-byte MAC address, where a low value indicates the higher priority. So this determines which ports are actively participating in the Ether channel, and ports are elected by the lowest port priority. And what are the LACP modes? Active and passive mode. So passive mode, the switch negotiates an Ether channel only if the for and switch initiated. Active mode, it will actively ask the for and switch to initiate or negotiate an Ether channel. So both should be neither active passive or active active mode to form a Ether channel. So if both are in passive mode, it will not form an Ether channel. So PAGP configuration, how to configure? So we have to go to the interface mode, and first we have to specify the protocol, that is channel protocol PAGP, and after that I have to configure the mode, whether it is in auto or a desirable mode. So one switch I have to configure in desirable and other switch should be in auto mode, right? So these are the thing modes. Either it should be in auto desirable or desirable mode to form a Ether channel. So if both are in auto mode, it will not form a Ether channel. Similarly, LACP I have to configure the LACP protocol, channel protocol, followed by the modes. It should be in active passive or should be in active active mode. If both are in passive mode, it will not form a Ether channel. So additionally, if you want to configure system priority, we have to configure like this: LACP system priority or port priority. So what are the Ether channel load balancing algorithms? So there are several methods. One is we can load balance based on the source IP, destination IP, source and the destination IP address, source MAC, destination MAC, or source and the destination MAC. So now let us discuss with an example. So frames are forwarded based on the hashing algorithm. So the hash algorithm computes a binary value. So this is an example. Consider a packet. A packet is sent from source to destination. Source IP is 192.168.1.12. Destination is 172.31.67.46. So if let us take the last bit, it always take the rightmost three significant bits, right? So the last bit is 1 and 6. So what happened? Let us convert into binary. So 1 is 001 and 6 is 110. So we have to do an XOR operation. So for a two-link Ether channel, we have to do an XOR of 1 and 0. So 1 and 0 is 1. So always a link 1 in the bundle is used. For a 4-link Ether channel, we have to do an XOR operation of 0, 1 and 1, 0. So 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1. So link 3, 2 power 0 and 2 power 1, that is link 3 in the bundle is used. Similarly, for a 8-link Ether channel, we have to do an XOR operation of these 3 bits. So 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1. And again 1, 0 is 1. So link 7 in the bundle is used. So in this way we can perform load balancing across the ports. So what is summary? So Ether channel is for bundling multiple physical Ethernet link into a single logical Ether channel. So it provides increased bandwidth, load balancing and redundancy. So what are the two aggregation protocols are PAGP and LACP. So PAGP is a Cisco proprietary. So it should be either in auto desirable or desirable mode. And LACP is a standard base. It should be in active passive or active active mode to form a Ether channel. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.